Please tell me what happened.
Eventually, just always running around doing martial arts training and stuff like that. So my phone was a flip phone. Kept just using it so much. Eventually, the front screen doesn't want to work anymore, and then also the main screen doesn't want to work anymore either. So I come to these guys and say, "We got you. Don't worry about it." And that's really it. That's all I need to say.
Okay, thank you. Makachoke.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it's ready to go. Can you see?
I can. That's fucking great. Oh man, thank you so much.
Long time.
Yeah. Yeah, so many people I have to connect back with, especially like family and everything else like that.
Oh,
So this phone that I've been using, like Messenger, doesn't work, or I can't log onto my Facebook because it's only programmed to this.
Okay.
So it's one of those like crap. Like,
Wow.
I'm so happy to have this.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
you.